Hello, this question is from part S1, subject control system, chapter root locus technique, and this question belongs to 2-mark question. The given question is we have to comment on the stability of the unit feedback control system having the open loop as transfer function as shown in this equation. And we have to find out if the system is stable or unstable or marginally stable or for the given k value 10 the system is unstable or not. In order to solve this question we have to follow these steps. First we have to understand what is stability and find out the poles of the given transfer function, and we have to find the breakpoint from the breakpoint for the closed loop system, and from the poles and from the breakpoint we can draw the root locus. From the root locus we can determine the characteristics of the system. So the given system or given open loop system will take the equation as shown here. So the obtained poles are S is equal to 0, 1 and minus 1.5. This is for the open loop system. And for the closed loop system we have to equate it to 0, and then we have to obtain solve this quadratic equation and obtain the S value, that is breakpoint. From the obtained pole values and breakpoint we can draw the root locus diagram as shown in this, that is minus 1.5 one pole and 1 is the another pole and 0. In order to determine if the system is stable or not, we have to understand the stability factor. Stability of the system can be characterized by following ways. Stability depends upon the poles, not on the zeros. It depends only on the poles, not on the zeros. And if the pole is in the left half of the plane, then the system is stable. And if the plane is in the right half of the plane, then the system is unstable. And if we have the repeated roots that has to be marked in the imaginary axis, for that the system will be unstable. And for the non-repeated roots that will has to be marked in the imaginary axis, and the system will be called as marginally stable. So the given from the drawn root locus we can see that pole is in the right half of the plane. From the theory we have learned that if the pole is in the right half of the plane, then the system is unstable. So the answer is B, which is always unstable. So from this question we have learned that what is stability and how to find out the poles and marginal and breakpoint, and how to draw the root locus from the obtained poles and breakpoint. And from this we can determine the stability of the system.